Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin. Now click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot, select Advanced Options, and then select Command Prompt. It will open Command Prompt window. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Type C: and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space C: / and hit enter. Type cd space Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmdr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space C: / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's execute this command. Type cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback. Then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /exports space C: / bcd backup. Then hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space C: / and simply hit enter. Type attrib C: / boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren C: /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.